literally so happy. Good morning, world. Yesterday was kind of shit, and I didn't really tell everybody where we were going last vlog, but say hi. We made it to London, and then, or we missed our flight, and then we were stuck at the airport, but now we're in Ireland, and it's beautiful, and it's refreshing, and it's not cold as fucking Canada, so let's go get breakfast. Oslo is the most beautiful place I've seen in the past 24 hours because all I've seen is airports. Look at the birds. Say hi to the birds, Riley!
Hello!
Oh,
Okay, wait.
Click your heels. 1, 2, 57.
1, 2, 57.
Nice! Can't hit the folks like me. Can't milli rock like me. When people look like their pets. Prime example, ladies and gentlemen. Prime example. What a good pup.
Mitch.
Oh, wait. Oh.
Alright, so D-Ching checking in. Ori has a sheep.
I've never held a sheep.
This.
Remember when the goats came to our school? I was too scared to hold them. So
Yeah.
I feel really accomplished.
One of them like kicked me. Alright, this guy right here. Wait, I don't know. That's some booty right there. God damn. These sheep really don't like me.
Run, young one, run.
Practicing your running.
I am gonna vlog now, even though I look literally like a disaster. Okay, so we're convinced your room is haunted because last night we had issues with noises. But the breaker, like for our fuse, went off in our room, just our room. What? And then while I was showering.
I was naked when the
Well,
lights
yeah,
went
you
out.
shower naked. And the lights went out, and we had to go get somebody to fix it. But we didn't know what to do with Holly, so we left her in the dark.
They literally told me to get out of the shower, and I was covered in soap, and I was like, I'm out of the shower, what am I doing? And Ori was like,
just stay there. Just stay there.
the floor is getting soaked, my soap is going in my eyes, I didn't know what to do. Oh, that's my wallet?
And lime kiln. No, she's pointing all the way down.
Okay, well, this is my first time having a capri-sun, and I'd just like to say that I would definitely drink 12 of these and do the challenge and projectile vomit. They are worth it. Okay, I'll get... Holy shit, that's a lot of birds' nests.
The left is Patrick Pierce, you always say.
Where are we? Dublin? St. Patrick's Cathedral? That's what I was looking for.
Sure.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Features of the castle. Okay, so.
But we ended up in another castle. How do you feel about this? You love it, don't you? You what? You like Minecraft? You're really risking it for the biscuit and giving all your bread to this.
I wish I had done eyes that way.
Come here, buddy. No, just take cameras this way, apparently. Our deck is unreal. How do you feel about this, Spencer?
It's wild. You know what?
It a piece. It's Friday. We gonna do some things today.
Carly. Mr.
We're at Anne Hathaway's birthplace, and if you don't know who that is, no, it's not the famous actress. That's what a bitch thought.
I thought that.
I was like, why would we go there? But it's Shakespeare's wife, and then later today we're gonna go to Shakespeare's birthplace.
Shakespeare's birthplace.
I can't go on! I can't go on! Yes! So dramatic.
Just literally just said it.
Yeah. Did you get that on video?
Yeah, I did.
Oh.
We use chopsticks. We authentic. We authentic, but it frustrates.
How do you love London? Okay. But you're gonna be like, I hate it, and I was gonna be like, okay, me too. Yo.
Fuck this pussy boy. Fuck it.
Holly, are you okay?
Shame. Let's retake it and I'll take off my
Tail, because from above it resembles the tail of a fish.
Last day in London, what? Huh? It's last day in London. You can't even see my face. Holly, how do you feel about last day in London?
Sad.
I've never been happier. Oh my god.
Are you vlogging?
I'm vlogging. Oh my god, how do you feel about this?
What? Oh, I thought you were. Okay, I feel like an idiot now. I feel great. I feel awesome.
We out here live. Oh, live from the London Eye, sponsored by Coca-Cola.
They say she a gold digger, but she ain't messing with no broke.
What are you doing? I'm sorry. Hey, two.
Oh my god, we made it, boys. Taxi cab. A bit cheaping our time for McDonald's. Look at that. Bye, everybody. Say bye to the vlog. Thanks for watching. I love everybody. Subscribe. Everybody sub.